what's up, travel buddies? How's everyone today? Ayan, kamusta na ang mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas and anywhere around the world? And yes, those who are not subscribed yet to this channel, please do. And it's Eden Feminas. Thank you so much for everyone that supported us already. Welcome and enjoy the rest of your day.
Good morning, travel buddies. Kami pupunta ngayong araw.
Mount Kuta.
O hala, sinagot agad ang panalangin ko.
In the first place, but pumunta lang kami dito para magliwaliw as
15
usual.
minutes.
Dito kami ngayon sa car park. Tsaka hindi magandang panahon. So, we will see kung saan tayo pupunta later.
Head east on Kingsford Smith Drive, State Route 25.
Time to pack up and let's get moving.
Picture oh. Alala ko yan. Sana walang restriction. Kung may restriction, ate, wala.
Meron talaga dapat yun.
As you heard our conversation, guys, we're just talking about if we are allowed to take a drone shots here in this tourist attraction. Sayang naman kasi andito na kami, so sera. Meanwhile, take a closer look and enjoy the breathtaking view of Brisbane City at Mount Kuta. There you have it. So after exploring Mount Kuta Lookout in Brisbane City, we're heading to the next destination. The day will not be complete without the food trip. Of course, we're heading to North Lakes, Westfield. Alright, see you there.
Yes! Food trip is real!
Yes, we're already full. Drop by muna kami sa Costco para mag-window shopping and then mamili ng pasalubong, especially pandesal para sa mga bata. Ayan.
There you go. Pandesal is life.
ka na yan,
Gimbal na ano, tapos may cellphone pa.
And now, the most awaited part of our road trip, we will show you the drone shots taken somewhere part of Gympie region. We believe that the best package of our travel is the drone shots that will be taken in every destination that we visited. So keep on watching and keep it right here at Idan Faminas.
Okay, let's go.
Here's another mind-blowing sceneries in Bundaberg region.